We're at 30 foot of water. It's 2:57 in the morning. Uncle Don is in the chair.
Coming to you live.
Coming to you live, boys.
Hey, River Nighthawk.
This is gonna be what if we get in 18 or 19?
Oh, at least.
Yeah, we're doing good. He's reeling down.
That's
Let me get that bait. Knock that bait clicker off. Can you get it? Anyway, we got a pretty good one. He's pulling drag here. Things got slow. But, come on, Don. You got him?
He's madder than a wet hornet.
Madder than a wet hornet. Madder than a wet hornet. Oh,
It's a fatty here.
It's a fatty, he says. Look at that catfish fever rod. Don't horse him up. Just let him fight the rod. Just hold it right there. Just let him fight the rod.
Sir.
Just hold it right there. Hi, we got them triple fucking.
Ooh.
Oh, there you go. Let him.
Oh,
Oh.
hold him over.
Oh, that's a nice one there.
The 20 pounder.
There's a 20 pounder. Oh, yeah.
Woo.
Yeah, 20 pounder. Any way you want
Size of that.
Yeah. Yeah. Here we go. Oh, I got my green light on.
Look at the size of that.
Look at him. He's a nice one. Hang on. Let me get my light back on him.
He's a fatty.
Fatty. We got a fatty going on this Trinity River Hawk. Coming to you live.